Okay guys, see the next question. The next question is saying that you are provided with the radius of the circle. If the radius of the circle is below 15, you have to calculate the area of the circle. Otherwise you are supposed to calculate the circumference of the circle, right? So formula is given here and no headache is there. That is pi of area of circle is pi r square and circumference of the circle is 2 pi r, right? And radius is also given here, but it is saying that the output should be in the 2 decimal format. So what it means here, it is trying to say you something like this. So when you are finding the area or a circumference, if the value is coming something like this, if the value is coming 37, after find the area, if the value is coming 37, you should give me the output as 37.00 here. First thing, if the output you are getting is 37.689532, so at the time you should give me the output as 37.68. Or if you are getting the output as 38.0, this should not be the output, it should be up to 2 decimal places. That means at the time you should get 38.00, right? So here you will definitely use what? F string or formatting, both you can use here. So let's show it how to do it. Let's check before whether it is taking the radius as integer or something like that. So it is taking the integer. Maybe he has not mentioned somewhere whether it is taking the integer or some other. So if it is taking the integer, we'll go with the integer. If it is taking the float, so we'll go with the float. Okay, and yeah, okay, so let's do it. First I will take the input from the user. So here I will say radius, radius is equal to int input. You check the sample test cases. If over there somewhere he has given the float radius, so then change it to the float, right? So I will say radius. Let's go be in the safe side. I will say here float, and here I will say if radius is less than 15, then what we have to do? If the area is below 15, you have to calculate the area of a circle. So area of a circle will be creating here. So I'll say area is equal to, and pi r square, that is 3.14 r into radius ka square. This is radius ka square. Since I need in the 2 decimal format, so I will say print here, and I will say f string here, and here what I will say, curly braces, definitely it will come. Then I will say area जहाँ पे after calculating this I have stored in the area, and I will say this, make this up to 2 decimal places, make it up to 2 decimal places. Same thing if it is not less than 15, so we will go to the else part, and in this else part I will find the circumstance. I will say cre equal to that is 2 pi r square, that is 2 into 3.14 r square नहीं है, r है pi r, so r is radius here, right? And again I will do the same thing with this as well. So I will say print, and I'll use the okay, let me use here formatting, so I can use the formatting as well. So I will say double quotes here, then colon, and here I will say colon dot 2f, right, and dot format, and what we need here, we need here CRI, right? And that's it. Nice, let me run it, and let's say I will give the radius as 3, so it is saying 28.6, right? What if I will give some other value like 34? Now it is saying 213.5, right? So this is also working, this is also working. So I guess, I hope you understood this. क्यों क्यों यहाँ पे लिखा, दैट मीन्स जो कॉलम के पहले है वो कहाँ पे आ जाएगा, जो भी वैल्यू इसमें है वो इसमें आएगा. अगर वो ज़्यादा बड़ा हुआ तो उसको कहाँ तक लेगा, 2 डेसिमल प्लेस पे. अगर वो कम होगा 2 डेसिमल प्लेस वहाँ पे नहीं है तो वो उसको ऐड ऑन कर देगा फोर्सफुली. ओके, थैंक यू.